Is there only one?
E.
E. So we want to find out which cost?
Selling cost.
Period cost. So you say E. Okay. Any other?
What about B?
I say B.
B.
B. Any other? So answer can be more than one choice. It's not like one choice, can be more than one choice. Okay, let's talk about this. Here we go. Manufacturing equipment depreciation, it's a period cost or product cost?
So product cost,
Why?
because it's a direct material.
What? Direct material?
Oh, sorry, indirect.
It's a manufacturing overhead. It is used in factory,
Oh yeah, right.
right? Otherwise, if this equipment is used in head office, like I told you, the example of the depreciation of air conditioner or depreciation of a car of CEO, then it's a period cost, not the product. This is product cost, okay? Oh God, it's a product cost. B, property taxes on corporate headquarters. It's not the manufacturing facility, it is headquartered. This is definitely which one?
Period.
Well done, period cost. Direct material cost is a product cost, no doubt on that. E, electrical cost to light the production facility. Which one? Production facility. So this is
Product.
Perfect.
product cost. Well done, well done, well done. Sales commission. It's a
Period cost.
period cost. So answer is B and E. Well done, girls. Okay, I am making a breakout room again. So I'm going to give you 15 minutes to do that. So let me just read the question first. Suppose, in the meanwhile, you can take a picture. Suppose that you have been given a summer job as an intern at Isaac Aircams, a company that manufactures sophisticated spy cameras for remote controlled military aircrafts. The company, which is privately owned, has approached a bank for a loan to help it. The bank requires financial statement before approving you such a loan. You have been asked to prepare financial statement and were given the following lists. So let me know, that is period cost or a product cost, right? The requirement is to find out whether this is a period cost or a product cost, right? I'm going to be establishing breakout rooms. Oh, do we have a Ronnie?
I'm here.
Okay, here we go. Please join. Okay, so I would be turning on recording again once we came back from the breakout room. Okay, guys, welcome back after breakout room activity. So please match your answer here. So depreciation on salesperson car. Remember, so I was talking to the group 2, Bella's group. So any cost that happen inside factory, we call this product cost. The other costs that are occurred outside the factory, we call this period cost. So depreciation of salesperson. Salesperson is not they are not residing in factory, so it's period cost. Rent on equipment used inside factory, product cost. Lubricants for machine maintenance. Of course, machines are installed in factory, product cost. Salaries of personnel who work in finished goods warehouse. Finished goods, remember this one. Goods are now transferred to warehouse, ready to dispatch. So they are not inside factory. They are not manufacturing facility. They are not in manufacturing facility, right? So in manufacturing facility, they are not. So we call this period cost. Soap and paper towels used by factory workers, product cost. Factory supervisor salary, product cost. Heating, water, and power in the factory, product cost. Materials used for boxing, product for shipment, of course, period cost. Advertising, period cost. Compensation of insurance for factory employees, product cost. Depreciation on chairs and tables of factory lunchroom, of course, product cost. Wages of receptionist in administrative office, see, period cost. Cost of leasing corporate jet used by company executive, of course, it's period cost. Cost of renting rooms at Florida resort for annual sales conference, product, period cost. The cost of packaging the company's product, right? And packaging occurs inside the factory, inside the manufacturing facility. We call this product cost. Any question? Okay, so let's take a 10 minutes break, then we start from here. Okay, ladies, welcome back after a short break. Our third learning objective is understand, understand behavior patterns including variable cost, fixed cost, and mixed cost. So you're getting where we are going right now. So we are classifying our cost based on behavior, right? Here we go. So cost classification based on the predicting behavior. Number 1 is variable cost. Number 2, fixed cost, and number 3, mixed cost. So the cost behavior refers to how a cost will react to change in the level of activity the most common classifications are. So let's talk about the variable cost. So variable cost behavior is that if unit increase, cost increases. But which cost? In total, right? So this is a really old example, but still valid here. So your total texting bill is based on how many texts you send, right? Or how many units you purchase. The more you need raw material, the more you need labor. So the labor cost and direct labor cost and direct material cost are variable costs. So if we talk about per unit cost, if we talk about variable per unit cost, so the nature of variable per unit cost is constant, right? In total, the more you send the messages, the more the total cost is. But you can rely on its per unit basis, like 5 cents per second per message. If you send 15 messages, your bill is 75 cents, right? So in total, cost increase, but in a per unit basis, it fixed. It is not fixed, it is like constant. So we have other activities to measure. Number one is the cost driver. In simple sense, because most of the students they find confusing regarding what is activity base. Regarding the base, so in ratio analysis, what is the base? It is the denominator. The ratio is like numerator and denominator. So the lower side is called denominator, and in cost sections we call this base. Sorry about my handwriting, it is base.